2 miles have gone well. First breakdown. Have you got Allen keys?
First your breakdown.
Yeah, I know.
My breakdown already happened.
What are those?
Here.
Excellent. Fuck's sake. Oh yeah, I can see the Allen keys.
Nice thumbnail here, you broken down?
Yep, cheers buddy. Who needs mates when you've got Pezza, eh? Oh, I don't think it's going to grip any tighter, you know.
Yeah, I actually thought that was gonna happen. In my mind's eye, I was like, yeah, that it wouldn't have moved unless it. I got some electrical tape.
No, that's all right now. I think
Okay.
as long as I just go careful with it.
Yeah, don't put your gorilla feet on it.
Well, that's the problem. I can't move it by hand anymore, so that's good.
Okay, that's alright then. Just don't do any race shifts.
I'll try not to.
Smash it down through the gears. Yeah.
Yeah, feels alright. Yeah. Right, cheers Pezza. First breakdown. We might get that coffee one day.
Maybe.
Well, at least I've got it on camera, that's the main thing. Bloody hell, why is that locked out?
Oh, your stand. Your stand's locked in. Locked the other way round.
I know.
Has the spring come off?
I don't know. For f***'s sake!
I've got a hammer.
Might need it. This bike is a load of shit. What the f*** has happened to it?
So you're not taking that one to Wales?
I don't think so. I think that stands Oh, this isn't funny. Side stand works alright now.
Right, if you lift it up.
Yeah, that's going to be hard work.
So hang on. Stand up.
What the f***'s happened to that?
Oh, come forward a bit.
Lift it up. Right.
No, that ain't fun, is it?
It's gone all the way forward, hasn't it?
Right, let's tip it over on its side. Ready?
Oh, it's proper jammed in there. It is.
The sound's on back. Oh, there you go.
There we go. I didn't think I'd have to bring a. Right, just let me just tap it one just to make sure. Yeah, it's not going to go anywhere, I don't think. Don't use the main stand, okay?
Well, have you seen the side stand? Look at this thing. Look.
I know. That's just. Oh, it works now.
Yeah, well, you wait till it's on the flat ground. It don't. Stupid bike. That won't start because it's been over on its side.
Shut up! Don't say that.
I've done exactly 2 miles. Shit bike.
How much did it cost?
Nothing.
It looks good though. Oh, okay. We're back in the game. Right, now let's see what my bike bloody McFlut's gonna do.
Oh, you're in gear, mate, aren't you? Right.
Oh no, I'm too close to the car now. There we go.
Right, should we try again?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, that was a bit of fun, wasn't it? This bloody seat is slippery as hell.
Did just brand new from where what's his face has been polishing up with WD-40.
Oh, that was funny. I like that. See, I can just cut through this, but you can't, can you?
Oh. Why don't we come this way? Why don't we go the other way?
Don't know. On a Saturday and all.
Yeah, I know. What a numptard.
A numptard. Well, 5 miles in, mate.
What do you look like in the mirror?
Majestic, mate, I reckon. I probably look. I mean, this seat is really slippery, so I end up like with my knees up round by the handlebars.
Probably none of them bikes are filtered though. There we go.
Well, so far, 8 miles, buddy, and she's still going.
How do you break now?
2. Well, they were at the same time. So yeah, 8 miles in, nearly 9. I thought it was breaking down back then, but that was just switching to reserve, so that's cool. At least I know reserves is that way now. Yeah, you got a nice healthy smoke, so that's good. Cool. Hey, he's flying the chair! I got that on camera, mate. I know. Hey! 10 miles now. Besides, mate, I'll go on the outside. There you go. Alright, see you now.
Do a drag race there, couldn't we?
Oh, my camera has gone off. I've been filming the whole time.
Oh.
Maybe it's just got a longer what's it now than it used to have. I'm sure it used to go off a lot quicker. I'll have to look at the settings at some point.
Do a drag race to use quicker off the mark or not?
Okay. I think it'd be you, because it's first gear, but I don't want to slam it through the gears and fuck this gear stick up.
No, mine's pretty slow off the mark.
That is funny. Well, we're 11 miles in now. Go on, little girl, done a 350. Oh dear, that is funny.
I didn't think you would. I mean, you are quite a bit
Heavier, but then you have got the chair, mate.
The chair is, yeah.
Right, I'm going to open her up down here. I don't know. But I'm doing 50. 50. We've got the lean arm. Yeah. 60. Yeah. I'm happy with that. What was the smoke like? Alright?
Yeah, pretty tidy.
Cool. She has got no hesitation on that throttle at all. She just ain't, obviously it's only 100cc, it ain't going to be the quickest thing, is it?
Almost had you on the corner then.
Did you?
Yeah. Oh, my chair's lifted. Oh, it's lifted. Still lifted. Still lifted. Oh, I'm going for a record here, mate.
Oh, I should have been.
Jeez,
I should have been behind you. Go on.
Oh, that was a long one. That was.
Fucking idiot.
Just pulls out, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, the chair's about to lift. Oh dear, the chair's up.
I'll park over here. Can you get through?
Yeah. I'll just go round. Okay.
Right, I'll lead you.
Yeah, you lead. Oh, it's a left-hander. I don't know what I'm going to do.
Fly it.
There's a bike coming. It's flying, baby!
Here he goes.
Oh no.
Oh, that is brilliant. Oh, that is hilarious.
Probably not doing the bearings any good.
No. Right, turn it off.
Your indicator's very dim.
Yeah, it's only 6 volt.
Yeah.
And the battery's probably a load of shit 'cause it's not a proper motorbike battery.
There's not a car coming the other way.
Is there?
No, hopefully there's not.
Oh, right, I'll let you know if there is. There is a car.
Oh, I skidded then.
Did you?
Yeah. I'm not going to fit.
Yeah, you will.
Well, this isn't the other side. Oh, wooden bridge as well.
I'm surprised you've never been up here.
No, because there's not many byways. Like the byway, it's a bit out of the route for the natural flow of the byways. Oh my goodness, this is horrible. I'm going all over the shop. Oh, this is it. I have to just take the wheel on. It's just snapping, my turning is snapping all over the place. Oh,
Well, it's something different.
oh, wheel spin.
Yeah, I mean, it's easy enough on 2 wheels, but I didn't think you got 3.
Oh. It's like a million speed bumps.
That's it, that's the worst of it done. Or maybe not. Whoop.
I want to stop and get a picture actually.
Yeah? I got my camera on.
I'm going to stop here for a sec.